The sun rises and their hearts sink like stones in the lake of yearning. Another year in black, moved by the winds of sadness until their tears are hoisted as flags on the shrine of his mourning, reddening the eyes that cry, a fire in the hearts put out by the sands of time, only to rise again, a sun that welcomes his sons and daughters, a home away from home. Somewhere between pain and yearning, their hearts sit entranced Bainul Haramain. As time begins to converge, hearts become tents of yearning, burning, and voices submit to breaking and quaking, then silence. The day arrives and there he is, blooming crimson bright, flowering from the neck upwards for the world to see his sacrifice. His colors mix with the fertile land, setting seeds as he dies. His petals fall one by one around him like broken shadows under light. The earth breathes in his scent until the land itself becomes alive, to welcome guests into this garden, the garden that is his shrine. But every garden gives in to seasons, and these eyes that bloom with tears will go from pulpits to pupils, plunged back into darkness, awakening as startled candles, melting as yearning flames, waiting to be embraced by the heat of his sun again.